Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Shein app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.